To change superheat, first access the advanced menu by pressing and holding the back button until TS, temperature set point, is displayed on the screen. Use the up and down arrows to navigate until STT appears. When the superheat set point is displayed, press Enter to toggle between the set point and its current value. When the current value is displayed, use the up and down arrows to change the setting values. The default setting is 8 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's adjustable to a minimum of 5 degrees Fahrenheit and a maximum of 30 degrees Fahrenheit. To save a changed value, press Enter and hold for 3 seconds to confirm the change. Press back to exit this mode. For more information, visit the SmartVap Plus support page on the Bally website at b-rp.ca/svp.